Yeah, this is what we do. Akuthi akufuneki ube serious kakhulu kodwa nje ngiyakutshela nje bafo. Ungalokhu complain ama-swimming pool. But what else can I say? Ayikho into engayisho bafo ayikho. Bakithi ake sigobe emsebenzini. I don't want to make this video that long. I need to talk to abalaphi bendabuko. Bantu bakithi angeke ngikhulume le nto. Uma ufaka i-product yakho i-supermarket ethize enamagama abufu enkulu ngenyanga bakunika 120,000 every month. Ngenyanga bakunika 200,000 every month. That will instigate tax as well. I-VAT yakho lapha iphezulu kakhulu because every 100,000 is 15,000 is gone. You see? Now, back nigga le mali 100,000, 150,000 every month. You got products selling in pharmacies. You know how much they made out of that. You know how much they have made. Because they buy product at a 30% discount. When they give you 100,000, they're giving you more than 200,000. Because they purchase a product at a 30% discount. Bakithi asingacebisa abanye abantu. Asingacebisa nje abantu ngoba le nto nina nibona ngasuthi imali le nto ifana nemali. Ifana nemali. When they pay you R1,000,000, you are automatically owing 150,000 to taxman. You are automatically owing 150,000 to taxman. Just now SARS will start to visit you. You understand? But the time SARS visit you, you are broke already. Because le mali fika vese sekunegap enkulu. Into esiyidinga uthina, create your field agents, make a product, then keep the product in your place, create what is called field agent, people who will come and order product to wena, or people who will order product and then send them kubona and let them sell it. Create distributors. Find somebody in Newcastle who will buy your product at a larger quantity and he will sell it to his people. We call it distributing agencies. Rather than putting your product in a pharmacy. Thereafter, control the economy and open an online store. An online store will allow you to sell your product even in Germany, South Korea, wherever you advertised. Advertise online. Advertise online.